Awangwarisha malum. At this rate, I don't know if I should take you to the hospital or straight to the musha.
Go for the pussy more before the start tomorrow on the Hello?
Yeah, Muna. I need you to come here as soon as yesterday. Malumi don't is ordered to kick in the bucket.
My man, I know exactly what the problem is. The air around us is contaminated with sulfur dioxide, and Madon is one of the main suffering from its toxic effects.
Sulfur
dioxide. It is a toxic gas released as a byproduct from power stations.
My man, just come here and explain.
Yeah. You see, the SO2 minimum emission standards in South Africa are very weak. What's even worse is that Minister Barbara Chrissy has taken a decision to further cripple the standards. I
think it means that companies like Eskom and Sasol will now be allowed to release double the amount of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere.
Correct. And as a result, this may cause over 3,000 premature deaths per year in the country. Death? Let's go and confront her right now.
Yikes!
Sure.
What is this?
Well, Minister, we know about your sulfur dioxide shenanigans. You thought we wouldn't notice?
It is your job to ensure that polluters like Eskom comply with the minimum emission standards, not to sit there mining ponkodis.
I'm sure Lerenka Katela the Onyonika Mumatonga, Okasel Lola. Elona Mama.
Executive Yawapadin Concord. That's who she is.
You can't play picky mabalani with our lives.
What made you think this was a great idea? Eh?
It's like woman had the ideas checharagam coating what toilet.
Hey, it's the liver for me. The audacity. Lady Bumps Chagadi, there are better decisions. This new amendment came into effect on the 1st of April. Is this some kind of a delayed April's Fool's joke? Unless the joke is our lives here.
But I...
Requested responses and they are as dry as dust.
I am sorry, but you are making a big deal out of nothing. This decision will make the nation a lot of money.
Not a big deal.
You see, the lives of South Africans are more important than making it. Fix this mess. One need, Thomas.